Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, in this opportunity, I would like to present my portfolio as a network engineer student in IDN boarding school. So I'll begin from the first slide that I've made. Okay, this is about me. There's the description about myself, and it's like introduce myself, use text, and then from my education, from the first in SD. What, Mister? What do you call that? SD. Elementary school. Uh, First 3 years elementary school in Palangkaraya, and then I continue on Pontianak. And then junior high school, I being a student as IDN boarding school student from 7th grade until 9th grade in junior high school, IDN boarding school. And then I continue my education in vocational school in IDN boarding school as a network engineer student, or we call that TKJ. And for the skill that I learned here in SMK, the first is microtech that I learned in 10th grade, and then I got the certificate, international certificate. Name is MTCNA and MTCRA in first semester in 10th grade, and then I continue my education at Edinburgh School in second semester and learn about Cisco Certified Network Associate. And then I'm already got the certificate also, that is CCNA. And then I'm also learn by myself about Amazon Web Service in 10th grade, also in 11th grade in first semester, about Amazon Web Service, that is cloud computing material, and use the platform with the Amazon platform that they are provide. Also, I learned Linux, Ubuntu, and Debian with the course that I often use, that is Laguna course, and I buy it with my friend, and then I use with my friend for learn about Linux, especially on Ubuntu and Debian administration. Okay, and then for the language that I use is Indonesia for native and fluent in English. For the activical work that I made, the first is the book from Microtech I made. Name is that of Microtech, and with the title is Temptesiana. And then for the second book or the creation that I have made, that of Microtech and TCRA, and was made it in the first semester of 10th grade. And then I'm continue for my book on CCNA, that is known as Cisco, with the title is CNA. And I'm also made the next book that is known as Cisco for CCNP, but I'm not writing yet here. Okay, and this is the certificate that I already got in vocational high school in Edinburgh School. The first is MTCNA, and then MTCRA, and continue with studying by myself in NSA 1, NSA 2, and NSA 3. And then I got the information from my friend got the course from Decoding about Amazon Web Service course. And then the second course that I learned from Decoding is about network fundamental. So I got 2 certificates from Decoding, and then I'm continue for learn by myself in Aguna course with Linux operating system, that is Linux, Ubuntu, and Debian administration. And I'm also learn about AWS or Amazon Web Service, AWS, in Aguna course. And then in May, I got the certificate from Cisco that CCNA, and I'm used the voucher that my teacher gave to my generation for take the CCNA certification. Then for the next is about the content in my portfolio. Okay, for the first experience that that I got in SMK or vocational high school, in 10th grade, I'm already being a trainer in the one of school in Bogor, that is Al-Andalus Islamic Boarding School. in October 2022 with my friend Putra, that we're given the first opportunity to share knowledge about the material that I got in 10th grade, that is Network Fundamental, also MTSiana. And this is about 6 days I teach the student there, and that is the benefit that I got from being a trainer in Al-Andalus Islamic Boarding School. The first is construct new connection with students from the other school, especially in Al-Andalus Islamic Boarding School, and then repeating networking material that I'm learned in 10th grade, increase new experience for me, also with my friend, and then receive income from the school. Okay, this is the documentation. And then this is my first experience in junior high school. When I was 9th grade, I teach in one of school in Cirebon, that is Asunah, Yayasan Asunah. With my 5 friends, I'm go there, and this is the second experience I being a trainer in junior high school in Asunah Cirebon, and that is the benefit I'm already got, sharing the material that we learned during study at junior high school. So I'm being a trainer in Asunah Cirebon and teach about the office application like Google Spreadsheet or Google Docs and other. And then have more time for practice way of speaking, because we are here introduce ourselves and then sharing our experience in Aiden Boarding School to the other student in Asunah Cirebon, and then ensure the student are understand with the material that we gave them. So we are not only teach, but we make sure that the student are understand about the material that we granted them. Then for this is the documentation. Okay, and then for the next, the second experience that I was feel in 10th grade, that being a trainer in IT Camp 2022 in November, that I had the opportunity to gain experience teaching network fundamental to students who are newer to learning than me, and that is students that want to join in Aiden Boarding School, but they want to warming up first about the networking material. And for the benefit that I got, have more experience for teaching at vocational education, and then repeat and learn about the material that we teach, or repeat the material that I'm learned in 10th grade. I repeat so I can know more about the material that I learned, and then practice the way of interaction or communication with new people, because a wall of student here is new, and for the first day, I'm just recognize them. Then for it is the documentation. I'm with two of my friends, that is Rayhan and Noval. Then for the next experience, I'm being a trainer in MTSiana Telkomsat Bootcamp, and it is in Aiden Boarding School that the Telkomsat employee come here. So the benefit that I've got, that is repeating our materials that we learn in 10th grade, and then have more experience about teaching or be a trainer. Sorry, and then practice our preparation for working on internship, because if I introduce myself to the employee of Telkomsat, maybe they can know me, and then can introduce a student, identical student, to the other employee in Telkomsat. Then this is the documentation, and for the next is be a trainer in ID network and trainer. This is the first time I'm being the trainer in ID networkers, and the training is on the new ID board school that Mr. Daddy will make it in Malang. So it is I'm did it in the last holiday, and then for the benefit is, I think, almost same. They are repeating our materials that we learn in 10th grade, because the material that I gave, that is MTSiana, to then have more experience about teaching or be trainer, and practice or preparation for working on internship. then also receive some of income. Okay, this is the documentation. Then for the next, I'm joined the AWS Cloud Day Indonesia in 2023, also in 2022. So the AWS that make the event on Indonesia for advertising their product about AWS, and we uh, me and my friend in one class went there and understand the material that presented by the speaker in the seminar. So okay, I will go to the next slide. And that is the documentation when we are learning about AWS in the seminar, and then learn about the startup or the company that just use AWS for the platform. And then for the next experience is about network and server maintenance in the one of company in Cikarang, that is Gema Pro. And then this is the big event that I've ever felt in 2023. That is collaborative international program, and it is me and 8 of my friend that successful complete the activity we did in Republic of Indonesia School in Tokyo. And the first program that we are did, the first is identity teaching, that we are give our material about networking fundamental, also the motion graphic that we are did in Canva. And then for the next program that we are made, that is international event creative competition. After they are learn about IT, and then they can use the material for the competition. And this is the documentation. Okay, and then this is the certification that I already got in 10th grade. And then for the next is also I got it in 10th grade about the decoding. The first is called Partitioner Essential about AWS, and then learn about networking fundamental. Then this is the NSA 1, 2, and 3 that I got from Fortinet. And the next is Linux Fundamental for Maguna course, and national competition for student from Scientech. And then this is the Cisco Networking Academy certification. For the first is about introduction to network, and then for the next is switching and routing wireless essential, and then enterprise network security and automation. And this is the Cisco Certified Network Associate that I got in 10th grade. And this is my creation. The first is about MTSiana. The name is that of my critic. That I made it in 10th grade on the first semester. Also the MTS area I made it in the first semester. So I make 2 books on first semester. Then for the next in the second semester I made my 3rd book that is known as Cisco for CCNA. And for the last book is known as Cisco for CCNP. And I made it on the last semester in 11th grade. This is my contact if you are want to ask something to me. This is from my LinkedIn, email, and WhatsApp. Thank you. That's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.